Hello everyone, welcome back from Storytelling with Veena and Ariana.
Here's your Sunday story.
One day the colors in the world met and talked about their importance.
Each color claimed that they were the best, the most vibrant, the most valuable.
Each color said that it was the best and the most useful color. I am the most important color. I am everywhere. I am green. I am the color of grass, leaves, plants and trees. No, I am more important than you. I am blue. I am the color of the sky and the water in the sea. I am the happy color of the sun.
Who says which color?
Yellow.
Okay.
I am the color of sunflowers and bananas. I am the most useful color. I am the healthy color of carrots, oranges and pumpkins. I am the best color. I am orange. I am better than any other color. I am the color of apples.
The red color says. And also the color of...
Tomatoes and the lovely rose.
So which color is this? Purple. What does purple say?
I am the royal color of the king, so I am surely the finest color. I am also the color of brinjals and grape. I am the most important color. I am the color of the sky at night.
Which color says?
Indigo.
I'm the color of silence. You hardly notice me, but without me, you all become superficial. I represent thought and reflection, twilight and deep waters. You need me for balance and contrast, for prayer and inner peace.
Suddenly there were dark clouds in the sky. The sound of heavy rainfall made all the colors come together.
And rain comes down and says,
Friends, you are all important. Stretch yourselves together across the sky. You will make a lovely rainbow. What a wonderful sight it will be.
what a beautiful world we all can create if we continue to love and inspire each other beyond geographies, color, caste and creed. Let us make our world a better place to live in.
People over the world, reach out your hands, touch one another. People over the world, just understand and love each other. We have one life to live, so much to give, so much to share. There is love to be found. Just look around, there's happiness there. People
Hope you love the story of the rainbow by Anne Hope.